and go back to the instrument lighting tool and things of that nature and drop in some more. Or you can do the old copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. So Command C, Command V if you're on Mac, or um, what is it, Control button if you're on Windows. So I can kind of lay out my three lights here. I can also fine tune the placement of the lights by holding down the Shift key and using my arrow buttons. My Mac is starting to do a little bit of glitchy things here, so I'm not going to press it too hard. A couple other things that you may want to do. You can see how they're not perfectly in line. In fact, if I just kind of make this look a little bit more obvious here, get this back a little bit, you can see that they're not perfectly in line. And if you want to make them perfectly in line, easiest way to do that is to kind of click and drag over the whole area, hover over top of one of the lights, and scroll down to Align Distribute, and then Align Distribute to the middle, and that will line them up for you all in the middle like that. So I could keep copying and pasting, say, these three lights, Command C, and then come up here and go Command V, and I can get my next bank of lights here. And then with all three of them, I can move them over a little bit, and they're going to become my upstage lights. Move them back just a little bit. Now, these are all going to be my warm lights. If I want to make my cool lights over on the other side, let me show you a bit of a time-saving trick here. If I highlight all 6 of these guys, there is a mirror tool in the basics here. It kind of looks like 2 triangles pointing together. And if I kind of draw an imaginary plane down the center line, click at one at the top and move your mouse down to the bottom, and I want to make it as close to 90 degrees as possible, and click again. That copies and pastes those lights onto the opposite side like this, which is so handy.